Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formulas. My name is Sachin and here in this video we are going to discuss a new formula that is called XMATCH. In our previous video we had discussed index match and in this video we are going to discuss XMATCH. So this is the advanced formula compared to match. We'll see like what are the extra functionality that we can see by putting this formula. So let's start, guys. First, I'll give you the brief description of this formula by entering this formula in MS Excel. It says returns the relative position of an item in an array by default. By default, an exact match is required. This is similar to match also, where we were giving the lookup value and lookup array, and we were getting the exact match as we were required, like the position that we were requiring. In this X match also, we are able to see the same description of this formula. But on the other side, if you go to the syntax of this formula, there are a couple of more parameter has been given in this formula, like lookup value, lookup array, match mode, search mode, like that. So we'll try to put this formula. For example, I'm giving the list here, and here I'm giving the range. Sorry, I did something. And this is the range, and I am putting the lookup value here. I'm just trying to get the lookup value of 3 that I'm putting here, and we'll try to put this X match formula here. And first we will give the lookup value here, and we will give the lookup array, and simply we can press enter, because afterwards the next two parameter that you are able to see, that match mode and search mode, that are pretty much optional. So simply we can press enter like that. So we are getting I can put this as a location, like that I can put, and this is the exact same location, that is uh, of 3 is 4 and 1 2 3, because it includes list as well. But on the other side, if I want to check 3 1, it is showing not applicable, because this is not exactly able to find 3.1 in this list. But on the other side, if I am going to match mode, where I can see there are a couple of options are written over here. One is like exact match. Second one is exact match or next similar item. Then exact match or next larger item. Then wildcard characters, and then regress match. If I'm putting this -1, basically it says like the number that is larger item, or I can simply press 1. We'll try to check whether it is able to see that particular result or not, and press enter. So see, it is giving me the result as 5. So basically what it is trying to catch, it is trying to catch the location as 5. But what is the fifth location? Fifth location is this, that is 4. So in by putting 1, we are able to get the result where exact match or next larger item is there. But on the other side, if I'm trying to put -1, that is exact match or next smaller item, and press enter, then I am able to see this is try to get 3. Basically, it is try to capture the 3 number. I'm just putting the location of this number also, so that we will not struggle much. Sorry, what happened? Okay, so this is the location actually. I'm just highlighting this also. So this formula is trying to get the location of this 3 number compared to the number that were higher in previous example, that was 5. So this is all about like the match mode that we are trying to fix, trying to see. Uh, Then there are a couple of more functions also, like wildcard character match and regress match, where wildcard character match says returns the index of a wildcard match, where star, question mark, and this symbol having special meaning like that. That we had discussed in our previous video, that we can check like what it means. Basically, it says when a particular list having a number that contain a lookup value, not exactly same, but like some portion of that particular lookup value is there in that particular lookup array. So by putting the star, asterisk, and this symbol, we can check this. On the next side, if you see that match based on the regress pattern or case sensitive. Case sensitive, maybe we can check here, although we can check anything, but still I am putting this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. And here I am putting A as in small letter, and I will try to get the value of 2. So basically still this minus 1 is giving me the value based on this capital A. Basically it is trying to capture the smaller value that is being considered as a like smaller value, like wherever it finds a non case sensitive also, it will try to give you the location of that particular number. Instead of that, if I'm giving this regress match and press enter, so see it is giving 3, which is basically the correct location of that particular letter that is being case sensitive. This is the exact location that we are able to see here. Okay, so we can put this formula like that also. On the other side, if I am just putting ABC, sorry, ABC, and here I am putting ABC, and here I am writing AB, then still it is trying to catch this location. Basically in this formula also it is trying to capture the location as 2 based on the first 2 digit. And if I am putting star here, still it will show like that, and I'm giving the wild character here also, then ideally it should match those two actually. Yeah, see it is we are giving the wildcard character as star, and we are able to put this formula also, and we are getting the same result that we were able to find. Now coming to the next search mode. Basically it says like in what manner you are trying to find a particular text, like search first to last, like perform a search string from first item, or the string from last to first by putting -1. And in the next one we are able to see like a binary search where the data is being sorted like that. This is kind of search mode in what manner you are trying to catch this particular thing. We can check also if I am putting this AB here and I am deleting the star, and I'm ignoring this match mode function by putting nothing and putting comma next to that, and press 1. By default it will select 1 from inception only, like that. Basically it is matching the exact match, and the exact match is lies on this number, and it is giving the correct result only. But if I want to check this result from a descending, then we'll see. Basically it is trying to check the result from the beginning because it contains only one AB here. But if I'm putting AB here also and try to put 1, now it is giving me the result as 2 because it is checking from the inception. And if I'm putting this -1, so it is giving me the result from downwards, and from downwards the location is 9. So this was like the basic function of this formula. We can check this formula by putting in a practical scenario, like in front of you there is a company's name having the share price also. If someone says like company name C and the position of this particular company, you are you want to see like what is the position of this company, we can simply put XMATCH formula. We will give the lookup value comma, and lookup array we can give from A2 to A6, and simply we can press enter. Why we are not able to put this formula? Because might be this format is not in journal format, and we can change this format to journal. Okay, and simply we can press enter again, and we can see this the location of this company is exactly 3, like 1 2 3, and we are able to see the result. Coming to the next match mode function, if we go to the company target share price or next largest, like that we can check this one also. We can simply press this X match formula here, and lookup value I can put this one, and the match mode I am giving the next largest, that is 1, and press enter. So we are able to see this is the company that we are able to see, that is exactly 2. On the other side, that also I can copy it paste here, and instead of 1 I can put -1. So I'm getting 1, that is the smallest one, next smallest one. Next to that we are having this what to say, that employee name, where year awards, like that the data is being given. Here I want to check the last award won by an employee, and I can simply put this X match formula here also, and give the lookup array comma. Because this contain that question mark, I can put wildcard character, which contain 2, and press enter. That also it will give me the result. Basically it is trying to capture from start to end. And if it is says the last award won by, so last, or it means like the latest award, I can simply put from last to search. Here I can put -1 and press enter. So this is the fourth one. So fourth is a serial number that we were trying to match. So this was all about this X match formula. Here in this video, we have discussed some advanced uses of this formula, and not in this formula, like so far, whatever we have discussed, this was some advanced functions, or like advanced uses of particular formula we had discussed. So going further, we will try to blend one formula with another, and just give me suggestions like in what manner and what kind of things we can discuss in further videos. So till then, thank you guys. Hope you like the session. Keep like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.